Okay, we checked out a few antique stores. I lost the word. Kind of got cool. A little poster or like an ad, the RC Cola. And I also got vintage safety razor from Gillette. Look at this. Oh. It's quite dirty, but I will do another video about this. So I got some cool stuff. Alright, let's go home. Hi, what's going on guys? This is Kazuki again. So I went to this antique store in Chicago called Good Old Days Antique Store, and got this. Guess what it is? The vintage Gillette safety razor. So I've been doing a wet shaving in the last maybe 2 or 3 years, and I have my favorite safety razor that I've been using. The Rex Amboy. It's a really cool stainless steel razor. So I don't need another razor, but it's really cool. So I asked AI about this, and it looks like this is made of brass 3-piece safety razor from Gillette. It's roughly made in 1920 or 1930s, somewhere around that. It says made in USA, known the world over. It's like an old slogan of Gillette. So this is quite old and beat up, so I'm gonna give it a nice clean and condition, sanitize it, and see if it's usable, and I'll shave my face with it. So first off, I'm going to use like dish soap, Dawn Ultra. I watched some videos about restoring old razor, and people seem to use that. I believe it's like a nylon brush. By the way, this is like $30 at an antique store. Yeah, this is really old. Yeah, it's very old. I might have to polish them, so I need a compound. I don't have that yet. So I'm gonna give it a nice wash today and then see how that goes and kind of decide what else I want to do. Okay, so I finished cleaning a little bit with the dish soap. I think I actually polish them to make it really clean. See some of like a rust or the patina in those like tiny spaces. I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna order compound on Amazon something, and I'll work on that with it. The case is quite dirty too. Yeah, it smells really old. I don't think there's any molds, anything. I don't know how to wash this. Really dirty. I wonder if this is gonna stay, or I'm afraid I might rub this off. It's like suede. Alright guys, back at it. It's been a few days and I washed the razor with the dish soap. And the box had a really bad odor. So I put this thing to the box and I left it outside with the sunlight. And that now smells a lot better. Maybe it was, I don't know, the mold. I don't know if this really killed them, those molds. But it smells really nice now. And I got this compound, a polishing compound called Flit. Some people use this. I'm gonna try this. This says to shake it well before I use it. I use this cotton ball. Ooh. I'm gonna start off with the handle. Let's see. Maybe I should wear like a glove, but it's fine. I'm gonna use this rug. Yes, I polished with the compound. Spent about like 5 minutes and I can already see the change. I think I need to get a little smarter to polish like a small details, like all these, you know, there's a little space between those teeth and some of the logos, you know, those, let me focus, the engravings and stuff. I gotta get in there and clean them, but looking good. Okay, so I'm done washing, polishing, and sanitizing this brass vintage Gillette safety razor. I took pictures of the both before and after pictures. It took probably maybe an hour or a little longer than that. Not too bad. This is an open comb razor, so it has these teeth and it has like a rust or patina between those teeth. It's a bit difficult. I did my best. It's almost gone. Maybe they're a little left on the little spaces between those combs, but looks very good. I think I could have done a little better job in between those two space too, but looks nice. I didn't like the 3 dots it had when I bought it, and it's all gone. Really nice. In the box, I think I kind of ruined it. I put the Febreze and kind of water and stuff, and it left this kind of mark on the surface. You got like a, I don't know, this like a white, weird kind of marks on the, yeah, like the surface. But it was not greatest conditions, so I don't really mind. It probably still smells a little funny, so I might not even use this, but it's kind of cool. And that was my first time trying to restore vintage razor, and it was really fun. I got my alcohol, the sanitizer, and the polishing compound that I don't really use for anything else. So I might buy more vintage razor if I find cool ones and try restoring them again. I'm gonna give this razor kind of nice, cool shot, so you can take a look, and I'll shave my face with it. I'm not a big fan of an open comb, but it's cool.